coordinators, Mr. Raulito Grayan and Mrs. Pe Acabado, to the loving teachers, parents, guardians, employers, to the class of 2012, my fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Do you believe that life is a choice? Well, please allow me to tell you a short story. There was a man traveling across the desert. He was extremely tired and hungry, but he had nothing on hand, neither food nor water. He may reach his destination for about half an hour, but he knew that without any provisions, he won't be able to reach it because of the tremendous heat and thirst. While sitting on the sand, a man approached him and said, "Choose." He saw the man holding a glass of water on his right hand and a gold bar on his left. If you were that man, what were you going to choose? The gold bar or the water? Friends, our high school life was like a trek across the desert. We had so many encounters that compelled us to make choices. But today, I have the good feel factor that we had chosen the right choice. This occasion is a proof of that. We had achieved and been qualified. But we didn't do it alone, of course. All along the way, we had received the wonderful supports from our parents, from our guardians, from our employers, from our teachers, or even from our fellow graduates. I say thank you to all who have been part of my high school journey. To my parents, ma, pa, thank you so much for the moral, spiritual, and financial support that you have given to me. I will not be standing before this crowd if not because of you. I'll not reach this far without you. And in the very moment, I share this success with you. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagpangga. I'm not yet done. To my classmates, thank you for the beautiful memories. Thank you for the 80 Sundays of fun and laughters. You poured over the textbooks with me, ate several lunch sessions with me, and exchanged ideas with me. Because of you, I had learned something. That I am living on the world which is full of brilliant people like you with different ideas and talents. Makakasiguro kayo na mananatili kayo hindi dyan sa inupuan nyo, hindi doon sa pupunta nyo, kundi dito sa puso ko. May we meet someday and once again exchange smiles. I would also like to say an infinite number of thanks to my mentors. Ma'am, sir, you were so eager to share knowledge with us. You showed us the electric circuit of learning. You introduced us possible minting plans where wealth may be earned. You taught us how to understand and create a truthful editorial. You lead us into our goals. You allowed us to listen to the rhythm of learning, and you exposed us to the quadratic function of life. So today, I know that my fellow graduates would like to join me saying, mga ma'am o mga sir, daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. To the President and Directress of this institution, Mrs. Victoria Luterio, ma'am, you had said earlier that your heart is closer on us. Well, ma'am, thank you so much for that big heart for the Sunday High School. Through this program, the students who were not born with a silver spoon like me, like us, are given hope and opportunity. I hope that someday this school will have thousands of students like me. Because, ladies and gentlemen, in this school, the students are on good hands. Once again, Ma'am Luterio, daghang salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, I am now speaking before you not because I want to tell you that I am the brightest. I am not. I am here because I want to tell you that, just like any of us, I had made the right choice. True, right choices may be away from my comfort zones, but they are the ones that lead me to every victory. As we open our doors to a new world, which is college, I'm very certain that we will be confronted with many difficult situations. Which decisions are ought to be made? Let us remember that life is a continuous struggle, and such kind of battle between opposites has no ending. We must always choose to do what is right, because in this way, we will find real fulfillment and happiness. Yes, a bar of gold may be very tempting because of its value, but never forget that it is the glass of water that makes us live under the scorching heat of the sun, and in effect, give us strength to move forwards towards our destination. Fellow graduates, we made it! Job well done. Congratulations to you for having made right choices that enabled you to celebrate today. Continue to dream and be victorious. Yes, dear friends, go for success. We had made it today and we can do it again tomorrow. All we need to do is choose. Yes, because life is a choice. Once again, farewell to all of you. Daghang salamat ug maayong hapon.